like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper butterfly. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in half. Open it and let's cut it. So let's keep one aside. Now again fold it. Open it. And now follow the procedure. And the upper part of butterfly is ready, so let's skip it. Now let's take this remaining part and fold it in half. Open it. So it has been cut. Now take one part and do it like a fan shape. And fold it in half. Same way do with this one also. Now let's take glue and stick this middle part. So it has been stuck. Now you have to just stick this here. And the butterfly is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.